This video brought to you by Forex Internals.
Hi, and welcome to the FXI Velocity Instant Indicator demonstration. We'll be going through all of the settings and showing you what a Velocity Instant Indicator looks like. To describe what it does is it takes the difference between any two moving averages and plots it in terms of numbers of pips. So what that does is it shows you the acceleration of the shorter time frame versus the longer time frame, and you can see how quickly price is moving in one direction or the other. So we take the Velocity Instant Indicator and just drag it onto the chart. And the first thing we do is we look at the Common tab and make sure that Allow DLL Imports is checked. All of the Forex Internals indicators and trading tools need Allow DLL Imports selected. We select Inputs and we'll go through the settings now. Time frame def is just the acceptable inputs for time frame. 0 means the current time frame on the chart, 1 means 1 minute, 5 means 5 minutes, etc. We're going to look at the current time frame on the chart with a setting of 0. The fast and slow periods are the periods of moving average look back that we want to compare. In this case, we're looking at a 5 period versus a 21 period. Price type def is the acceptable settings for price type. That is just what price do we want to calculate our moving average on. In this case, a selection of 5 is the typical price, which is the high plus the low plus the close, all divided by 3. We'll just scroll down a little bit more. Get the rest of the settings here. And average type def is what kind of average we want to calculate on. For velocity, we do a velocity between an EMA, which is the exponential moving average. A setting of 1 will be the instant trend line, which is a low band pass filter on the data based on the slow and fast periods. And a setting of 2 is optimum, which is a self-adjusting moving average based on the amount of signal to noise ratio that's in the data itself. So we're just going to use a simple EMA just for demonstration purposes. And hit OK. And you'll see you get a nice little histogram here. The histogram shows whether the velocity is positive, or in this case down here, negative. Green bars indicate that the current bar is an increasing velocity over the previous bar. And red bars, as seen here and here, are a decreasing velocity over the previous bar. So you can see you can have increasing velocity, but while it's negative, or decreasing velocity while the velocity is positive. And this gives you an idea of the type of price action that you're looking at any given time. This concludes our demonstration. We hope you enjoyed it, and we suggest that you go to www.fxinternals.com to take a look at other videos for all of our other indicators and trading tools, and we wish you the best of luck in trading.